In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add a boomerang effect to CapCut videos. A boomerang is that satisfying loop where a moment plays forward and then immediately in reverse, creating a smooth back and forth motion. It's perfect for highlighting quick actions, reactions, or any movement you want to replay in a fun, eye-catching way. Start by opening CapCut and importing the video you want to boomerang. Once it's in your project, place the clip onto the timeline so you can work with it. The timeline is where you'll see your video laid out from left to right, and it's the space where all your edits will happen. If you're choosing between multiple clips, the boomerang effect usually looks best with a short, punchy moment that has a clear motion like a jump, a spin, or a quick head turn. With your clip on the timeline, click on it to select it, then copy and paste it directly next to the original. This gives you two back-to-back copies of the exact same moment. Keeping them flush with no gaps is important so the loop feels continuous and natural when it plays. Next, select the second clip and apply the reverse option. In CapCut, reverse flips the playback so it runs from the end back to the beginning. Depending on your device and the length of the clip, you might see a brief processing bar while the app generates the reversed version. When that's done, you'll have a forward clip followed immediately by the same clip in reverse. Together, these two form a single boomerang cycle. To extend the boomerang so it loops longer, select all of the clips you now have on the timeline, the forward and the reverse, then copy and paste them as a group. This duplication places another forward and reverse pair right after the first one, making the loop play multiple times in a row. Each time you paste, you add one more cycle, which can make the effect more noticeable and satisfying. If you're aiming for a quick social post, 2 or 3 cycles often feel just right. A few quick tips as you review your loop. Watch the point where the end of the reverse meets the start of the forward again. Because the second clip is a perfect copy of the first, the motion should connect smoothly without any jarring jumps. If the movement in your original clip is clear and intentional, the boomerang will look polished and purposeful. And that's it. You've created a clean boomerang effect in CapCut using a simple forward and reverse pair, then extended it by duplicating the loop. Enjoy experimenting with different moments and motions to see what boomerangs best.